Good Saturday morning, plant nerds. We've got what seems like it's going to be an incredibly busy day today. Got a little bit of rain coming in. I just got here. It's a few minutes before 9. We've already got folks lined up down at the gate, which is a great sign. But I'm going to try again to film on a busy Saturday. Try to do a better job than last Saturday because I dropped the ball. It was just chaos, but I'm gonna carry the camera around with me today for one reason. We've got a group called Team Stinky Kiss coming in this morning. They are a dog adoption group, so they're bringing in a bunch of little fur babies today, some puppies and other dogs that need to find forever homes. So we've advertised it a bunch on Facebook. Hopefully we'll have a great turnout and help those little guys find some homes. So that'll be interesting. We've got trucks to load. They're already pulling in down in the bulk yard. So everybody's trying to get in to beat this rain. It's just a small little cold front coming through. Hopefully it'll just kind of come on, blow on through and get out of here so folks can get out, find their plants for their yards today, and maybe even take home a new furry friend. So I'm gonna go load these trucks down here. Got to get the birds fed up, get the greenhouse here open. It's gonna be a busy but a really fun day. You're gonna want to watch this video. Everybody's trying to beat this rain this morning. We got both loaders down in the bulk yard going. We've got customers showing up for the plants and the dog event. So hopefully, like I said earlier, there's the rain coming right there. Hopefully it'll blow on through, get on out of our way so we can help continue taking care of people so they can get out in their yard and get it fixed up on this beautiful springtime weekend. So something else we got to do this afternoon, guys, we've got to pick us out a bunch of plants to take home with us. So I want to get out there by the pool fixed up. We got a ton of containers, and just around the house I want to plant it up and make it look nice. So hopefully we don't take home too much and overload ourselves for the weekend. But that's what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to film that, see if we can't get our yard fixed up and make it look like, hey, actually on a garden center my yard shouldn't look like crap. So we're going to work on that. So it's all the more reason to hit that like and subscribe down there now so you can follow along and watch as we get our yard, you know, as we take it from crap to hopefully looking pretty decent.
This is the mama.
That's the mama to all the puppies?
Yes, she's about 20 pounds.
She had how many?
She was
8?
20 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
We had
All 8 of them here. I didn't even count how many we got.
I hope they are. I think I brought all 8.
There's somewhere around here. We've got puppies everywhere. Look at these little guys. What's this one's name?
Look at this baby.
Oh, look
how
cute.
adorable.
I know.
So cute. I get this one. My mama took mine. Oh no. Oh no, he's getting squished.
Oh, you guys are killing it.
Can I have either one?
You know you need it.
I don't need it.
You want it?
I have 2 big dogs at home. I never had a little one though.
Well, today's your day. Okay, it's a little busy in there, so we came out here. The adoption seems to be going really well. They just brought in all the puppies and a couple other little adult dogs as well, so hopefully they'll find some good homes today. But it's done a good job of really bringing folks out here to Grassroots. It's been crazy busy, so I'm just going to try to film whenever I can. So I had just a little break here, but I had to come outside to talk because it's just absolutely nuts inside right now.
He likes you.
That's why it's pretty, but yo tengo uno blanco en la casa, so yo no quiero blanco.
No, she's already got a white one.
Pero está muy
These 3 half.
Okay.
Hey, little fella. Oh, buddy. He said he wants to go outside and play. You want to go outside and play? Uh-oh. He fell down, dude.
Y'all are good helpers. They've been counting.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I know. I was panicking this morning.
Okay, so we are right at noontime now. We just got some pizza delivered. Everybody's eating, and the little dog event with Team Stinky Kiss has done fantastic. I mean, I couldn't even film in there because it was just so loud and so crowded. Everybody holding the puppies and petting dogs, and a lot of visitors, so that's great. Hopefully these little guys can find them a good home today. We're gonna walk down here and help Dave in the nursery a little bit, move some stuff around now that the rain has moved out. But I wore shorts today because it's supposed to be 83, but it's not, and I'm kind of chilly, so I'm gonna go get to work, see if I can warm myself up a little bit. So what we planting over here, Dave?
That's Golden Pacific Juniper.
Golden Pacific Juniper. I like that one.
It gets about 4 to 5 feet in diameter, and you can sit at what, 8 to 10 inches high.
Yeah, that'll be nice right here.
Yeah, it'll cover in this whole little area.
And so are you going to put irrigation to every plant down here, or?
Yeah, I put a drip with each plant. I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Because it's sandy.
When we find the supplies.
When we find the supplies.
We kind of misplaced them a little bit. And then we'll mulch all in here, and then this bed will be pretty much done.
Yeah.
For right now, until we find more plants that we want to stick down here. Azaleas are in full bloom. Those look great. And is that the purple Formosa?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those look fantastic.
Those
Little Jap
look-
maple over here. I forget which one this one is.
Is it Firefly?
No, it's not Firefly. It's grafted. Oh, there's a tag.
Yeah, Scarlet Wonder.
Scarlet Wonder.
Yeah.
I like that. That's nice.
I thought this would look good around it.
Oh yeah, that's Carex.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's the
Everillo.
Ever Gold.
Evergold. Everillo is the yellow one. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one right over there.
Oh yeah, this one over here. And Carex, I believe, is a native. There are some Carex that are native. Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, this is the Everillo here. That real bright chartreuse.
Yeah.
Color.
That's why I wanted to put in that whole bed in front of that fountain when we get it.
Right. Yeah.
Statuary will show once you drop the plants down lower.
Right. That'll look good. We got to still get power. We still got to dig a ditch over yonder and run power for the pumps.
Yeah, we got that one. There's a power line there. It's coiled up.
Okay.
So I've got to put a probably underneath here and then up to like a little conduit sometime.
Okay. I'll have to see if we can find time to run that maybe next week.
Okay.
If the weather's pretty, but we're supposed to have some more rain coming.
Supposed to be tomorrow Monday, isn't it?
I think so. Yep, tomorrow and Monday.
Yeah, I'm anxious to see. This is supposed to do okay in the south. It's got new growth.
It's done good so far, and you know, also my Percy Wiseman at home is doing good finally. I've only killed 3. This one's doing good though. I think I got it. I think I got it in the right spot. But that's just, yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous right there.
It's just putting out new growth. So
Yep.
that's good.
Yeah, this is the one we've looked at a couple of times now.
I should probably prune that off below the graft.
Yeah, we want to get that off because that's just coming
From
off the rootstock, because this is a high graft. You can see grafted up there.
Okay.
So yeah, we can just, I got my pruners right here. Yep. We'll just go ahead and take that off. Because as I've said in videos prior, the rootstock is just Acer palmatum, your Japanese maple.
Yeah.
And then the cultivar has been grafted right there. So anything below that graft we want to remove. because it's obviously just going to be the standard Japanese maple, and not what we are after on this one. Well, we finally made it back here to the jungle house, and I'm just watering up some of the plants. Got to feed the birds. It took till noontime because it's just been so busy. How y'all doing? Oh, he likes you, Kayla. Aww. Look at this little guy. He's the run of the litter, I think.
Yeah.
Hey, little dude. He's gonna climb up your back.
Were y'all
Hey, little guy.
for a dog adoption?
Absolutely not. We didn't.
So it looks like we've got a grassroots employee filling out adoption paperwork too. Miss Jovita. Couldn't resist it. Had to get her a puppy too.
Oh my.
We'll film some of these guys back here.
Okay.
I forgot this one's name.
This one's Jules.
Jules, that's right. Hey, Miss Jules. How are you doing today, darling?
We don't have any black.
And this guy?
This one's Lily.
Hey, Lily.
Lily's 6 years old.
How are you, sweetheart? You like the camera? She's not camera shy, is she?
No, she's not.
I think the event's going pretty well today.
Going great.
Awesome. I'm really glad at the turnout. And who we got back here?
Marcy.
Hey, Marcy. How you doing, darling? You got you a nice pillow in here? Hey, sweetie. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I think it's going great.
Yeah.
Today. I'm super excited about it. And Maggie, I think, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Miss Maggie.
Say hi.
Hey. Can I pet her? Is she friendly?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Miss Maggie.
I don't think she's got a mean bone in her body.
Yeah.
Huh.
Hey, girl.
She's a good little girl.
Yeah. And this is the most popular area over here. The puppy pen. Look at all them cute little guys. They're all cuddled up and sleeping now, aren't they?
She's chewing the ear.
Hey, guys. Yeah, she can't sleep because he's chewing on her ear. Oh, they're so cute. Are y'all packing up all the puppies?
We are.
All right, little guys. Well, thank y'all for coming today.
Yes, thank you for having us.
Absolutely, we appreciate it. I think you had a great turnout.
Absolutely.
All right, see you guys later.
Later, talk to us.
I bet so. They've been have people holding them all day long. Well, our dog adoption event just ended here just a few minutes ago, and it was very successful. A lot of people came out. I think a lot of the dogs found homes, which was fantastic. Now we're gonna go down here in the nursery and help out a little bit. Still got a good many customers walking around, so we're gonna see if we can help with some of the shrubs. Been trying to film as much as I can today, but it has just been, well, it's been Saturday. And well, we had a lot of fun. The sun finally came out, and I believe we finally hit our 83-degree mark. But I'm gonna go help a few customers over here, and then we'll film something else in just a little bit. You're welcome. Have a great weekend, guys. Alright, so we finally made it back to the jungle. We gotta get everything watered up. I just mixed up a little bit of fertilizer, and so I thought I'd show you guys the system we use to fertilize both of the greenhouses. We have this system set up in each greenhouse. So this is a Dosatron 1:100 fertilizer injector, and in this house I'm just using this I guess it's probably a 5-gallon drinking water container, and I mix up my 20-20-20 water soluble fertilizer, and then I always add about a 1/4 cup of Super Thrive. And so as we water, as it goes up through the fertilizer injector, it'll inject a little bit of food and Super Thrive as we're watering the whole greenhouse. And I'll see if I can find a link on Amazon for that Dosatron. I'm not sure if they have them on there, but if they do, I'll put it in the description below. But I know they have these.
I ordered this off of Amazon. I've been super happy with it. I've got 3 of them now, but it's an automated hose pipe reel, and so you just pull out the hose as you need it. It's got 75 feet of line, but the beauty of it is to keep the clutter off of the greenhouse floor. Whenever you're done, it's spring loaded and it just sucks all the hose back up into that housing. So that's been a huge help. But we've got our fertilizer mixed up, and we're going to go ahead and try to water back here a little bit. Some of these plants on the racks need a little bit of water, so we're going to get them watered in and then go back out to the front to help, because it is still busy, believe it or not. Still got about another hour for closing time, and then we get to go through and pick out the plants that we want to take home, which is what I've been waiting to do all day. Man, what a day. So hour after closing, we finally I don't want to say ran everybody out, but all the customers have finally left. So now we get to kind of just chill and go through the plants that we've got out here and back in the jungle, and pick out everything that we want to go around our pool and to plant at the house. May start this evening, just depends on what time we get home, but for sure tomorrow I'll make another video of the actual planting of whatever we pick out here to go in the containers and just around the whole pool area. So I'm gonna get all that picked out now. I got the truck backed up and it's empty, so let's see what it looks like here in another 30 minutes. I got a bad feeling, as pretty as it is, and with everybody that I helped pick out plants today and all the cool stuff that we have, we're probably going to have a truck full here in just a little bit. So I'm gonna go through, pick out some cool stuff, and I'll show you guys what the truck looks like here in just a little bit. Well guys, we just locked up the store and I'm gonna call it a day, and I already pretty much knew I was gonna do this, but here's what our truck looks like now. Absolutely full. I've even got stuff in the back seat, got a bunch of proven winners annuals and some pots, and there's stuff in the front seat as well. So again, I knew I was gonna do it. It's just so hard when you're helping people pick out plants for their own yard and everybody's just in a great mood, everybody's got spring fever, you can't help but catch it too. So we're gonna get out of here, take this stuff to the house. We might start planting a little bit this afternoon, but mainly for tomorrow, and then we got to come back here tomorrow and water. So if we're missing anything, we can pick it up then. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button for us and the like down there. We appreciate it. Always remember, the more you know, the more you grow. See you on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys.